Hello and welcome to episode 3 of Can I Cook in My Car? All right, episode 2, we did a jalapeno popper and the temperature in the car at noontime was actually 178 degrees. So let's check out today's forecast. All right, we'll see how hot it gets today. But what do we have on the menu is the ultimate question. Today, for episode 3, we have a hot Italian sausage slider patty. Yep, it's a little bit smaller than what you'd probably make on a regular breakfast sandwich, but trying to cook and not waste too much food here. So, and I bought some new hot pads at the Goodwill so I can use my other ones at home. So we are going to put that there. We are going to position our patty in the sun. It is already shining on there. And we have our temperature gauge thermometer thingy, a bobber that we want to get on there. So let's see, what does it say? Right now we are 78-ish degrees, looks like. I'm sure it's going to get a bit warmer. We'll put that there. Zoom out, looking good. Sun's up there. We will check it at lunchtime and see how it's doing. Well, it is lunchtime and we are going to check on the hot Italian sausage patty. Let's take a look at it. It is looking pretty good. Let's see if we can see what the temperature is. We're about 170 degrees. Where are we at there? There we are. Let's get in there and take a look. Okay. Yeah, we are, I think you can see it, about 170. How hot is this? That is hot. Hot, hot. Should we flip it? Let's flip it. So I flipped it over. Still looks a little raw on the bottom there, but the outside is, looks like it's getting done. We may have a cooked sausage. It smells like sausage in here today. We shall check at the end of the workday. Well, it is a little after 5:30. It is the end of the cooking day for episode 3 of Can I Cook in My Car? So let's take a peek here. I think we're gonna have a well done sausage patty. Yeah, all right. We'll go up through the, yep, it looks pretty well done. The actually, I came out here at 1 o'clock right after lunch and the temperature was back 178. So we are at a little 112 maybe. Yeah, it cooled down a little bit. Let's take her in the back. Okay. Oh. Okay. Looks like we got a well done patty. And get the fork here. Alright, oh yeah. Looks good. Yeah, it's been cooking all day. Looks cooked very well and smells like hot Italian sausage in the car. Question remains, would you eat it? Might have wanted to eat it. You may have wanted to eat in it around 2 o'clock. All right, we'll see you at the next episode.